Hazrat Abu Jamra radiyallahu anhu reports that he heard Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu say, Abdul Qais' delegation came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we belong to the Rabia tribe. The infidels of the tribe Mudar intervene between you and us, due to which we cannot come to visit you except in the sacred month. It will be nice if you enjoin us such things as we get from you and convey to those whom we have left behind. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I enjoin you 4 things and forbid you 4 things. 4 things to do are: 1. To believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, to testify that there is no one worthy of worship save Allah. 2. To observe prayer. 3. To pay zakat. 4. To pay khums, royal fifth, in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu out of the booty you get, and forbids you from: 1. Hollow gourd. 2. Green glazed pitcher. 3. Hollowed wood vessels. 4. Pitcher coated with pitch. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3510.